Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again. Yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch to YouTube Kids using YouTube. So go ahead and open youtube.com, and then if you scroll down on the left hand corner, you can see that it will lead you to YouTube Kids. If you click on it, now you have switched to YouTube Kids. Now your kid can log in clicking his or her profile. Let me show it to you once again. So open youtube.com, and on the left hand side scroll where you can see YouTube Kids, YouTube Music and YouTube Premium. So you should go ahead and click YouTube Kids, and you have now successfully switched into YouTube Kids. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.